Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the RevitaLash Cosmetics RevitaLash Advanced Eyelash Conditioner Serum, physician-developed cruelty-free. It may make claims to change the appearance of your lashes, but that is all. Finally last week gave up, and went back to the doctor with severe inflammation, and went on antibiotics for the eyes. It's not fair since the reaction to this product is the same as you would have for regular allergies until it gets real severe. It was in the box, but the tube was not wrapped in tamper-resistant plastic. You won't see results for a couple of months, then all of a sudden bam, you have lashes. If you were to purchase the larger size in dermatologists' offices you would pay $150. Yes, it's quite pricey, and it looks like the price even went up, but it does produce results. If you're currently spending lots of money on lash extensions and other products, you'll find the investment worthwhile. Now since you get Latisse via online, and without buying from a doctor, RevitaLash needs to lower their price. Yes, it takes several weeks 34 before you see a significant difference, but it does work. This stuff works amazing, and the price was way cheaper than buying at the dermatologist office. Of course with mascara applied, really a huge transformation. Almost like extensions were being worn. And for $98, if it's not going to look like an authentic product, something's wrong. Ask a guy what color his girlfriend's eyes are, and you'll find plenty who have no idea. But ask a woman about her boyfriend's eyes. It really does make your lashes grow, but it takes 56 weeks to actually see results with nightly applications. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe, and leave your comments below.